Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nisha. Yes, please to watch this entire video. Remember to like, share and leave a comment. For today I'll be talking about 4 Jamaican proverbs. Yes, just 4 of them mega touch, mega put them in our Patwahs, the English translations, and of course the first one there, sorry for maga dog, turn round and bite you. One, bend the tree while it's young, cause when it old, it a go broke. You understand? So this is a well-known one here in Jamaica. You know, always your parents or older folks telling the younger ones to do. And the English for this is teach your children. So you want to teach them morals from their young, teach them values, respect, good from bad, consequences of our actions. You can't wait till they're too old, it not gonna work. You understand? Now the pattern for this, sake and mouth, fish get catch. Sake and mouth, fish get catch. If a fish never put me mouth to be able to catch him, or because he yummy. So the English part your feet. Guys, yes, me know, taking the time and learn it, yes. So talking too much. Know when for talk, when not for talk. Chatterbox, yes, you're getting a problem. Your mouth will get you in a trouble. Alright? Yes. Keep by your mouth. Number 3 on the deck. Sorry for maga dog, turn around and bite you. Sorry for maga dog. Maga dog, turn round, bite you. Alright, so I say it for you slow, so I'm coming away forget it, you know. Now this is what it means in English. You know, people we always try to help out, you know, they're always the one who, most of the times, they are the one who always stab you in the back. You hear them say, boy, we never expect this from this person, always be the ungrateful one. Now this is number 4 now on the deck. No expect nothing from a pig but a grunt. No expect nothing from a pig but a grunt. Jesus, this someone here. Alright. In English, don't expect class or well-behaved from someone who you can't expect good from someone who's always doing bad. Alright, the expectation or acting stupid or we forget good from them or whatever. That is just what we basically mean there. So alright. Also to know that every Thursday at what time again me did say? Me not beep it out. Yes guys, I want you guys to know that every Thursday at 7 o'clock. At 7 o'clock? At what time again? Me don't know. Yes. At 8 o'clock. Yeah. I'm coming to on a live. Alright? So every Thursday at 6:30 p.m. I'm coming to on a live here in Jamaica, and every Sunday at 4 p.m. I know the Sunday one, you know, I know the Sunday one, good. For so Sunday is Soulful Sundays, you guys can come out, relax, take on a dinner and a cup of tea, whatever now come with, and enjoy here. Alright, enjoy, because we have a lot of topics we're going to talk about, and also I'm going to have guest people, you know, guest speakers, guest people. Anyway, not bleeping out that either. Or bleeping, what is it? But me figure it out. But every good thing have to come to an end. Me know you miss me, I'm gonna miss you too. But nevertheless, if you don't know any Jamaican proverbs, drop it down in a comment. Tell you guys how much I appreciate the support. For all those who are new to my channel, thank you very much, and I hope we continue to be friends. For those who visit, I appreciate you as well. I appreciate everyone I know. Alright, so remember, you know, be yourself, be safe, love somebody, hug somebody, listen to somebody. Remember, it's Child's Month. Just love upon the people, alright? See you on Thursday at 6 p.m. Bye.